a very warm welcome to my channel. We have had some very dark days of winter and now it is the beginning of February. I have a wonderful garden to show you that's full of the promise of spring, full of snowdrops and other flowers that come out to give us this boost that we need at this time of the year. Let's take a look. This garden is high up on the Downs in Kent. It has a fabulous view overlooking the Weald. These magnificent billowing hedges are box. They help to protect the garden from the southwesterly winds. These wonderful small snowdrops have pushed up from the darkness, making it one of the first to show themselves in the weak light of the sun. A very hardy plant that sometimes can flower through snow. These amazing little snowdrops will grow in partial shade, moist but not wet soil types. They grow well around trees and shrubs, making them ideal as a woodland plant. Snowdrops have different flower sizes, colouring with white, green and sometimes yellow as shown here. The petal-like segments are called tepals. Perfect growing conditions encourage them to multiply and provide extra plants, perfect for sharing. Bees emerge from their winter nests and start their new year of collecting nectar. This elegant ruby plant is a hellebore. They come in main colours of white, pink, ruby and shades of green. They are perennials and have long flowering periods, making it a very popular plant. Helebores are sometimes known as Lenten or Christmas roses, as they flower late winter into spring. They are not related to roses, but belong to the family of buttercups. Polyanthus are very robust plants. Like the snowdrop, flowers early in the year. They enjoy a well-drained soil and come in lots of colours, with the centre a different colour to the outside petals. Thank you for sharing your lovely spring garden. Here are some other gardens you might like to view.